Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today we've got these two separate units, Parkside Digital Calliper Digital Angle Finder. Measuring range is from 0 to 150 millimeters or 0 to 6 inches. Accurate 0.01 millimeter or 0.005 inch. Auto on with a vernier caliber movement, auto off after 5 minutes. Batteries included, internal code, external code, depth measuring, 3 years warranty. For taking inside, outside and depth measurement, precise measurements thanks to the responsive adjusting wheel and screw for fixing the measurement, reset to 0 at any position, display negative values, adjust the length, unit, millimeter, inches. Measurements are displayed on the LCD display. Nice all that. Let's move on to the second. This is the Digital Angle Finder. Measuring range is from 0 to 36 degrees. Accurate is from 0.1 degrees. Auto on and auto off as this device. For precisely measuring angles, 3 years warranty. With a locking button so you can transfer angle easy. Angle measurements are displayed on the LCD display. Can be reset to 0 when the arms are in the position. Arms with an aggravated scale 180 mm or 7 inch. But nice all that. And for the digital angle finder, well, let's open it, both of the devices, and see what values it can give us if it is very accurate. And inside we're going to find out the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me. We're going to find out all about this product. Nice and lovely case. Let's open it. Ooh, I like it. Fits very well. Mitsubishi battery, nice. Let's open it and the other one. Manuals inside. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me. You're gonna find out all about this product. Nice case, and here Maxwell battery here. Okay. Now there it is turning it on. Screw tight it very well and not going to move. You can change from inch to millimeters from here. On off manual button, 0 value, 0 again. Now let's install the other battery. Just press this button here, take out this lid, goes that side, and we've got 0. On off manual, you can 0 the values. You can unscrew, screw it back, tight it very well. It is not going to move. You're not going to lose your values. And it has, of course, measurement at millimeters and inch, 150 and 6. Same goes here. We've got from 0 to 180 millimeter and from 0 to 7 inch, both sides. And there are so many things that we can use this unit. Some of this, let's say we've got this huge screw. We need to measure the diameter of the screw. 15.19, or the length of the screw, 69.27. Same here. The diameter of this, smaller diameter. It is very accurate. The in of this washer, And of course, and the depth, let's say at this. And it is 20.78. Nice. There are so many things that you can find and measure, definitely. You can check the angle with this digital angle finder. Here, 0. And yep, it is 90 degrees precise. And here more or less is 90.7. You can draw an exactly line at the wood and that you need to cut it. Let's say you need 40 degrees. And there is the 40 degrees line for you. And other values. Let's say 60 degrees. You can tighten it very well, not to lose it. Measure, draw whatever you want, and next you can cut the wood, metal, plastic, whatever you want, and do your job. There are so many projects, DIY projects, that you can use this digital angle finder, do your job, and you will have an accurate values. Okay, let's say here we need 30 degrees. And you can measure from 0 to 180 millimeter. Let's say 100 here, and the same you can do and from the other side. You can take many measurements with these tools. Definitely you will find out the right one that it suits for you. And they cost only 12 and 12 euros. Well guys, that was all about. If you need something like that, well, just buy it. The price is very good, and I'm sure you will find out the right DIY projects to use them. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.